Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Is everything okay?
I think there is a small problem.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I order a cheeseburger, but this is a chicken burger.
Oh, no. I am very sorry about that.
It's okay. These things happen.
Thank you for understanding. Let me check your order. Yes, I see it here.
You order a cheeseburger with fries?
Yes, that's right.
And you say no onions, correct?
Yes, no onions, please.
I write that down. I'm sorry for the mistake.
No problem.
I will fix this right away.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
How long will it take?
Just 5 minutes. The kitchen is very fast.
Okay, that sounds good.
Can I bring you something to drink while you wait?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
Can I have a cola, please?
Of course. With ice? Yes, please. Lots of ice.
No problem at all. And again, I am very sorry for the mistake.
It's really okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
You are a very kind customer.
Thank you.
I want to say sorry again. How about a free slice of apple pie for dessert?
Really? That is very kind of you.
It's the least I can do. Thank you so much.
I will be right back with your drink and your food.
5 minutes later. Here you are, sir. 1 cheeseburger with fries, no onions.
This looks perfect.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you for fixing it so quickly.
My pleasure. Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, this is great.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
And enjoy your apple pie later.
I will. Thanks again.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hello, I want 1 coffee, please.
Sure, what size would you like?
Sorry, what sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large.
Okay, medium, please.
Great choice. Would you like room for milk?
Room for milk? I don't understand.
Oh, sorry. It means space in the cup for milk or cream.
Ah, I understand now. Yes, please, room for milk.
No problem. What kind of milk would you like?
What kinds do you have?
We have regular milk, almond milk, oat milk, and soy milk.
Oh, wow, so many choices. What is oat milk?
Oat milk is made from oats. Many people like it.
Is it good in coffee?
Yes, it's very popular.
Okay, I will try oat milk, please.
Good choice. So that is 1 medium coffee with room for oat milk.
Yes, that's right.
Would you like anything else today?
Yes, what is that over there?
Where?
In the glass case.
Those are muffins.
Muffins?
Yes, we have blueberry, chocolate chip, and banana nut.
Banana nut. What is that?
It's a muffin with banana and nuts. It's sweet and very tasty.
That sounds good. I will take 1 banana nut muffin, please.
Perfect. So 1 medium coffee with oat milk and 1 banana nut muffin.
Yes.
Your total is $8.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Can I have a name for the order?
My name is Carlos.
Thank you, Carlos. I'll call your name when it's ready.
Thank you for your help. My English is not very good.
Your English is good, and I'm happy to help. You are very kind.
You're welcome. Please wait right here.
Good evening. Welcome.
Good evening. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Welcome. How can I help you?
Everything looks very nice, but I don't know what to order.
That's okay. I'm happy to help.
Thank you. Do you like fish?
Yes, I like fish.
Do you like vegetables too?
Yes, I like vegetables.
Great. Have you eaten sushi before?
No, this is my first time.
No problem. Many people try sushi for the first time here.
That makes me feel better.
We have 2 main kinds of sushi.
2 kinds?
Yes, we have rolls and we have fish on rice.
What are sushi rolls?
Sushi rolls have rice, fish, and vegetables inside. They are rolled with seaweed.
That sounds good.
The other kind is fish on top of rice.
Is the fish raw?
Yes, the fish is raw but very fresh.
I'm not sure about that.
That's okay. I recommend a roll for beginners.
Which roll do you recommend?
The California roll is very popular. What is in it? It has rice, crab, avocado, and cucumber. That sounds safe. Yes, it's a good choice for first time.
Okay, I will order the California roll.
Excellent choice. Would you like to try something else too? Maybe later. No problem. Let me show you how to eat sushi.
Okay.
This green paste is wasabi. What is it?
It is very spicy. Use only a little.
Okay, I will be careful. This pink food is ginger. What do I do with it? You eat it between bites. Oh, I see. And this is soy sauce.
Do I dip the sushi in it?
Yes, but only a little.
Okay.
I will bring your food soon.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy your first sushi meal.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Good afternoon. Table for 1.
Yes, please?
Would you like to sit near the window?
Yes, that would be nice.
Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Are you familiar with afternoon tea?
I tried it once before, but it is long ago.
No problem. I can explain it.
Thank you.
Afternoon tea comes on a 3-tier stand.
3 tiers?
Yes, 3 levels. On the bottom, we have sandwiches.
What kind of sandwiches?
We have cucumber, egg, ham, and smoked salmon.
That sounds very nice.
On the middle level, we have scones.
What is a scone?
A scone is a small bread. You eat it with cream and jam.
A scone is a small bread. You eat it with cream and jam.
A scone is a small bread. You eat it with cream and jam.
Oh, I like small cakes.
Many people do. Now you can choose your tea.
What kinds of tea do you have?
We have English breakfast, Earl Grey, and herbal tea.
I will have Earl Grey, please.
Very good choice. Would you like milk or lemon with your tea?
Milk, please.
Of course. I have a question.
Yes.
How do I eat the scone?
First, you cut it in half. Then you put cream and jam on it.
Cream first or jam first?
Some people like cream first. Some people like jam first.
Which is correct?
Both are fine. You eat it the way you like.
I like that idea.
Afternoon tea is for relaxing.
Yes, it feels special.
I will bring your tea and food now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your afternoon tea. This restaurant looks very nice.
Yes, it does. I'm happy you like it.
Thank you for bringing me here.
You're welcome. It's my favorite Italian restaurant.
How often do you come here?
I come here about once a month.
The place feels warm and friendly.
Yes, I like the atmosphere.
How long have you lived in this city?
I have lived here for 3 months now.
3 months? That's not very long.
No, it isn't. I come from Italy.
From Italy? That's exciting.
Yes, I come from Rome.
Do you like living here?
Yes, I like it very much. I study at the university.
What do you study?
I study art history.
That sounds very interesting.
Thank you. I love art and museums.
You must know a lot about Italian food.
Yes, my mother is a very good cook.
Then you can help me with the menu.
Of course, I'm happy to help.
There are many choices here.
Yes, Italian menus can be long. First, do you like pasta or pizza?
I like pasta very much.
Good. Do you like tomato sauce or cream sauce?
I think I like tomato sauce more.
Then I recommend spaghetti with tomato sauce.
What is in it?
It has tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and basil.
That sounds simple and good.
Yes, simple food is often the best.
I will order that.
Great choice.
What will you order?
I will have lasagna.
Do you eat lasagna often?
Yes, it reminds me of home.
Do you miss your family?
Sometimes, yes, but I am happy here.
Your English is very good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
I want to learn Italian one day. That's nice. I can teach you some words.
Really? That would be great.
We can help each other.
I like that idea.
Me too.
I'm glad we came here tonight.
Me too. Let's enjoy our dinner. I'm very glad you bring me to this place.
I'm happy you like it. This is my favorite Chinese restaurant.
The restaurant feels busy and lively.
Yes, many families eat here.
The menu is very long. I feel a little confused.
That's normal. I can help you choose.
Thank you. I don't know what to order.
First, do you like spicy food?
A little spicy is okay, but not too hot.
That's good. We can choose something mild.
What do you recommend?
I recommend chicken with vegetables.
What is in it?
It has chicken, peppers, onions, and peanuts.
Peanuts are okay for me.
Great. The dish is tasty but not too spicy.
That sounds good.
In Chinese restaurants, we often share food.
Share food?
Yes, we order many dishes and put them in the middle.
Everyone eats from the same plates?
Yes, we all take a little of each dish.
I like that idea.
Good. Let's order rice too.
Yes, I always like rice.
Do you want white rice or fried rice?
What is the difference?
White rice is plain. Fried rice has egg and vegetables.
Let's order fried rice.
Okay, that's a good choice.
What else should we order?
Do you like dumplings?
Yes, but I don't know how to eat them.
I can show you.
Thank you.
You pick up the dumpling with chopsticks. Then you dip it in sauce.
Just a little sauce?
Yes, not too much.
Okay.
Be careful. Some dumplings are hot inside.
Oh, really?
Yes, take a small bite first.
Tell me about your family.
Sure. What do you want to know?
How big is your family?
How big is your family?
4? That's a lot.
Yes, 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Where are you in the order?
I'm the middle child.
I've heard middle children are independent.
That's true for me. What about you?
I'm an only child.
Did you ever feel lonely?
Sometimes, but I had good friends.
Do you wish you had siblings?
When I was young, yes.
And now?
Now I appreciate the quiet. My house was never quiet.
Are you close to your siblings?
Very close. We talk every week.
That's wonderful. Do they live nearby?
My older brother lives in California.
That's far. Do you visit often?
Once a year for Christmas, usually.
And your other siblings?
My sisters live in the city.
That's convenient. We have dinner together every Sunday.
Family dinners are important.
My mom started the tradition.
Are your parents still together?
Yes, married 42 years.
That's amazing. In today's world, they're a good example for us.
What's their secret?
Communication and lots of patience.
Those are important in any relationship.
Do you have kids?
Not yet, but we want to.
I have 3, all boys.
3 boys? That must be energetic.
Very. The house is always noisy.
What ages are they?
8, 6, and 3.
So close in age.
They're best friends and worst enemies.
Brothers fight sometimes, but they also protect each other.
That's the beauty of siblings.
Family isn't perfect, but it's everything.
That's a nice way to put it.
What about your parents?
They're divorced, but friendly now.
That's better for everyone,
It took time, but yes, family is complicated.
but worth the effort.
Absolutely. I'd do anything for mine.
Excuse me, I need some help.
Of course. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for a catalog.
What kind of catalog?
The furniture catalog for the spring collection.
Oh, the new one. It's very popular.
I saw it here last week,
Yes, we have them at the entrance.
but I can't find any today.
Let me check. They should be here.
I really need one. I'm redecorating my house.
That's exciting. Big project.
Yes, the living room and bedroom.
The spring collection has beautiful sofas.
That's exactly what I need.
The display is empty.
No catalogs left.
It seems we ran out.
Oh no, when will you get more?
Let me call the stock room.
Thank you so much.
Hello, this is customer service.
Do we have more spring catalogs?
Any luck?
They're checking now.
I really appreciate your help.
Good news, they found some in the back.
Wonderful.
Someone will bring them in 5 minutes.
I can wait, no problem.
While you wait, can I help with anything else?
Actually, yes. Where is the lamp section?
2nd floor near the windows.
Great. I need new lamps too.
The catalog has a whole section on lighting.
Perfect. I'll mark the pages.
Do you know what style you want?
Modern, clean lines, minimalist.
We have great modern pieces this season.
I saw some online, but I want to see them in person.
Smart. Colors look different on screens.
Exactly. I made that mistake before.
Oh, here comes the catalog.
Finally, thank you.
Here you go, fresh from the stockroom.
This is exactly what I was looking for.
Would you like a basket for shopping?
Yes, please. I might buy a lot today.
Happy shopping. Ask if you need more help.
You've been wonderful. Thank you.
My pleasure. Enjoy redecorating.
What's that gadget you're using?
This? It's a vegetable shopper.
I've never seen one like that. It's amazing. Watch this.
Wow, that was fast.
The whole onion in 3 seconds.
And perfectly diced, too.
I use it for everything.
Where did you get it?
Online, it was only $25.
That's cheap for a kitchen tool, and it saves so much time.
I hate chopping vegetables.
Me too. That's why I bought this.
Does it work on all vegetables?
Onions, tomatoes, peppers, potatoes.
What about carrots? They're hard.
Let me show you.
Impressive. So easy.
No more cutting board mess.
Is it hard to clean?
No, it goes in the dishwasher.
That's important. I hate washing dishes.
The blades are very sharp, though.
I'll be careful.
Use the handle, never touch the blades.
Good safety advice.
I actually cut myself the first time.
Ouch. Are you okay now?
Fine, just a small cut. I learned my lesson.
What else do you have in your kitchen?
Many little helpers.
Like what?
A garlic press, egg slicer, and salad spinner.
I've never used a salad spinner.
It dries lettuce perfectly. I just use paper towels.
This is faster and more environmentally friendly.
I never thought of that.
Small tools make cooking easier and more enjoyable.
Definitely. I used to hate cooking, and now I actually enjoy it.
These tools changed your mind.
They did. Cooking is faster now.
I need to update my kitchen.
Start with the chopper. You'll love it.
Can you send me the link?
Of course. I'll text it to you tonight.
Thanks. I'm excited to try it.
You'll wonder how you lived without it.